Hey guys, this is my first and hopefully only attempt to sing Michael English in Christ Alone. I couldn't find any karaoke or instrumental, so I'm gonna do it a cappella. So here we go. Christ alone will I glory, though I could pride myself in battles won. Who have been blessed beyond measure, and by his strength alone I overcome. Oh, I could stop and count successes like diamonds in my hands, but these trophies could not equal to the grace by which I stand in Christ alone, a place not to rust. Find my glory in the power of the cross. Every victory, let it be said of me, my source of strength, my source of hope is Christ alone. In Christ alone will I glory, for only by his grace I am redeemed. Only his tender mercy could reach beyond my weakness to my need. Now I seek no greater honor than just to know him more, and to count my gains but losses, and the glory of my Lord in Christ.